Super JCB, always ready to help his jungle friends.
Yay! Thank you, Super JCB.
It was a bright and beautiful morning in the jungle. Birds were flying happily across the sky. A family of parrots, a cheerful owl, and a funny little toucan were all enjoying the sunshine. But suddenly, something shot up into the sky. Wham! A giant net. It trapped the birds in midair. The sky grew darker as they fluttered and flapped, stuck in the net. From behind a tree, a sneaky villain peeked out. He was holding a net cannon, and he laughed quietly as he watched the birds struggle.
Oh no, the birds are trapped.
Call Super JCB.
Oh no, the birds are trapped.
Just then, through the jungle vines, came a loud vroom vroom. It was Super JCB. His red superhero cape flapped behind him as he zoomed in, full of energy and courage. "Don't worry, jungle friends," he said with a smile. "I'm on my way." Super JCB climbed up the hill, reaching out with his strong loader arms. The mother parrot saw him coming and called to her babies, "Hold on, little ones, Super JCB is coming." When he reached the top, Super JCB took one strong swing. Rip, and the net tore apart. The birds cheered and soared back into the sky, free and happy. "Be free, my flying friends," said Super JCB proudly. All the animals laughed. The birds circled around their hero, chirping with joy. The baby owl even gave Super JCB a big hug. And as the sun set gently over the jungle, everyone sang, "Super JCB, always ready to help his jungle friends." Yay, thank you, Super JCB.
Super JCB, always ready to help his jungle friends.
Yay! Thank you, Super JCB.